Hello my friend, I hope you are doing amazing. On this video I will show you within 2 minutes how you can identify the bearish divergence and how you can benefit from this pattern. So, you know that bearish divergence is the pattern when you can see on oscillator lower highs and at the same time on the price action you can see higher highs. In this case, most probably we will see the trend reversal. But how you can identify this pattern in the real world? First of all, let me show you that the higher this pattern is, the more powerful it is. If you will see this type of pattern right here in the middle of neutral territory, it won't be so powerful. But if this pattern will be much higher on the overbought territory, it will be much more powerful. And let me show you this. Right here you can see that we have lower highs on RSI with the higher highs on the price action. Let me show you more thoroughly. We have this pattern right here. We have consistently lower highs on RSI and consistently higher highs on the price action. And right after that, let me show you that right here from this point we went lower. And how you can benefit from this? As you can see, this pattern on the RSI starts right here somewhere at this point. And in this case, pull the Fibonacci retracement tool from this bottom to this top. And your price target should be at around 0.0382. And it is the most conservative target. But depending on this movement to the upside, you can have up to 8.5% in this case. And right here we have another bearish divergence. We have consistently lower highs on RSI with the higher highs on the price action, as you can see right here. And in this case, we started this pattern somewhere at this point, and we have to pull the Fibonacci retracement tool from this bottom to this top. And again, our price target is 0.382. Let me show you more thoroughly. And from this point, depending on your entry point, we might have up to 4% of potential profits. So this is the main part of the bearish divergence, and in my next video I will show you how you can identify bullish divergence.